Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore how you can change the language settings for your Quizify forms. You can build your Quizify forms in any language, but there are certain default elements which needs to be changed manually. Here's how to do it. Once you are in your Quizify dashboard, click on Settings and then click Language Settings. Here, you will find multiple preset language options, including German, Swedish, French, Spanish, and more. If your preferred language isn't on the list, don't worry. You can manually add translations using the custom text menu. For example, let's change our quiz into Korean by updating the fields accordingly. Once you have updated all the fields, simply click Save. Your form will display in the selected language, fully localized for your audience. And that's it. With Quizify, you can create quiz in any language for audience anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.